Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. You have to start by open App Store and now go to search. Then click on search line and write Xiaomi earbuds. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it, read, agree, choose your region and then click next. Skip, allow, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!